You added your own location on Instagram, but it's not showing up right away? This is actually a much more common issue than you might think. Many users notice that after creating a location, it may appear when they search for it, but it doesn't show up in the location list when trying to tag it in a story or a post. The reason behind this lies in how Instagram handles location data. Instagram's location system is directly powered by Facebook's Places Bay database. When you create a location, it's first stored in Facebook's database and only later synced to Instagram during regular update cycles. That means Instagram won't instantly add the location to its own list. It has to wait for Facebook's data to update and push it through. Initially, seeing your location appear in search results is simply a sign that it was added successfully. But for it to show up in the story or post location picker, it has to go through an additional processing and syncing step, which unfortunately can't be sped up manually. Based on user reports and experience, this synchronization process usually takes between 7 and 15 days. In some lucky cases, it might happen in 3 to 4 days, but for newer or more specific locations, it can take up to 2 weeks. During this time, the best you can do is occasionally check the location picker to see if it's appeared. The reason it can take so long is that the system isn't just updating your location. It's processing all newly added locations and changes from around the world in bulk. On top of that, sometimes the location's verification process adds extra delay. So, if you can't use your location right away, don't panic. This delay is normal and completely due to how the system works. Given a little patience, it will eventually become available for all post and story formats. In this video, we're breaking down exactly why this happens, how the process works behind the scenes, and what you can expect while waiting for your location to go live.